Hello students, welcome to the session of Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are useful in representing pictorially between the sets. Now we are going to discuss a relation between the sets using Venn diagram. First I am going to tell about operation on sets. The first one is union of two sets, intersection of two sets, difference between two sets. Actually A union B equal to set of all x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. This is union set. Union means we have to combine the two sets. Next one, intersection. Set of all x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. Intersection means we have to choose the common elements. The third one is difference. Set of all x such that x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. For a difference between two sets, we have to compare the two sets. We have to cancel the common elements. Then we have to take the remaining elements in set A. That is difference between two sets. Actually, the elements of a set may be marked as points inside the circle. The universal set is usually represented by a rectangle. Actually, this is universal set value. First set A, second set B. How can we mark A union B? We have to combine the two sets, no? So, we have to select the full set A and the full set B. This is A union B. The next one, A intersection B. Intersection means the elements x belongs to A and x belongs to B. So we have to take the common values only. That is A intersection B. The next one is difference. We have to compare the two sets. Then we have to cancel the common elements. Next we have to choose the remaining elements in the set A. This is A minus B. B minus A means we have to, the same procedure only, we have to compare the two elements. Then we have to remove the common elements. Balance elements in B set only we have to choose. The next one, A delta B, that is A minus B union B minus A. This is symmetric difference. We have to choose first A minus B, then B minus A. Combine A minus B and B minus A. This is A delta B, that is symmetric difference. Next one, disjoint set. What is the definition for disjoint set? Sets having no elements in common are called disjoint sets. This is first set, second set, no elements common in between two sets. So this is the disjoint set diagram. The next one is complement of a set. A dash is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to U and x does not belongs to E. This is A dash, complement of a set. Actually U be a universal set. Next A be a subset of U. That is A be a subset of U. All the elements in the set A in universal set only. Then A dash is the set of all elements of U which are not the elements of A. That is A dash is equal to set of all x belongs to U. All the elements in universal set and x does not belongs to A. This is universal set. How can we take easily A dash value? That is universal set minus A. Actually this is A set. This is universal set. U minus A means we have to difference between the universal and A. We have to cancel the A value. We have to select the balance elements in the universal set. This is actually A dash value. Okay. Next, some properties of operation of intersection. This is all the values are intersection operations only. A intersection B equal to B intersection A. This is actually commutative property. The next one, A intersection B of intersection C is equal to A intersection of B intersection C. This is associative property. And the third one is pi intersection A is equal to pi. What is pi? Actually this is empty set symbol only. Next, universal set intersection A is equal to A. A intersection A is equal to also A. A intersection of B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. This is distributive property. The next one, properties of complement sets. A union A dash is equal to A. We have to combine A set and A dash set, we get a universal set. Next one, A intersection A dash is equal to empty set. This is very important law, De Morgan's law. A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. The next one, A dash the whole dash is equal to A. Next one, pi dash is equal to U and U dash is equal to pi. These are the very important properties in complement sets. Next I am going to explain the problem. The first one, A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. The rectangle box is actually universal set. This is first set, second set, third set. First, we are going to take the LHS value. First, we have to do B union C. B union C means we have to combine the B set value and the C set value. This is B union C. Next, A intersection of B union C. We have to select a common element A and B union C. This part is actually common. So, we have to select A intersection B union C value. Okay, this is actually first equation. Next, we have to select RHS values. What is our first RHS value? A intersection B. Select common element for A and B. This is first step. Next, A intersection C means we have to select a common value A and C. This is second step. Next, A intersection B union A intersection C. We have to combine these two values. We have to select A intersection B value and A intersection C value. This is our second equation. Compare the first and second equation. The LHS value is equal to RHS value. So, from 1 and 2, A intersection of B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay. Next one. De Morgan set actually. A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. First, we have to take the LHS value. What is the first value? A union B. Union means we have to combine the two sets. Okay. This is A union B. Next, A union B the whole dash. How can we do the A union B the whole dash value? That is universal minus A union B. We have to compare the universal set value and A union B value. We have to cancel the value. Then we have to take the balance values. Okay. This is actually A union B the whole dash. Next one, RHS. Our first step is A dash. That is A dash means how can we write A dash? U by A. That is U minus A. We have to compare the universal set and A set. We have to choose the balance values. Okay. That's all. The next one, B dash. B dash is equal to U minus B. Now we have to compare the universal set and B set. Okay. What is the next step? A dash intersection B dash. In the RHS value, we have to take a common value between A dash and B dash. So we have to shade the rectangular box only. That is the common part. This is our first equation. This is our second equation. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. What is our LHS value? A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. That's all.